Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing several quick and simple home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Starting off, I'm gonna do a mixture of different paint colors so I can do a clay texture type of look. For example, this earthen hand vase that I had gotten from Target a while back. I love the way it looks, but as you can tell, I'm not gonna spend $14.99 per vase, so I decided to do a paint color that could look similar to that, but with things I already had at home. Once I added the ivory chalk paint, I went ahead and added just a couple drops of colored paint. Once I was done mixing those colors together, I added also a couple drops of the truffle chalk paint. Last thing, I added only 1 teaspoon of baking powder and I mixed it real good for at least 1 minute until I saw that bubbly effect to it. But that's good because that's how you want it, so it can give it that clay, chalky texture to the vases or anything you're gonna paint. I'm going to repurpose these vases that I had from a previous DIY. Everything is great inside this narrow maze. Everything has lost its taste. Ooh. Months are rain and chest pain. Tell me what's the plan? You are in the spotlight, I am hidden. Reaching out for your hands, can you feel me now? Trying to give a sign that I'm right here. 'Cause when I am without you, I am fading out. And I can see in your eyes all your secrets, but you don't seem to care about mine. Still I can't be without you, I'm falling without you. Can you feel me now? So I've been hoping for a new melody, just to get me some kind of remedy. And I think I found it in your mind. I'm going to be using this paint throughout the whole video. So now I'm painting the 2 candle holders, and the baking powder makes the paint dry a little bit longer, so I let it dry for at least 30 to 40 minutes.
All of my emotions are open like the ocean.
Once they were completely done drying, I'm going to be adding one of the candle holders on top of the other one with some hot glue.
Oh, you painted a picture up in your head.
To give it some detail, I'm going to be adding some wood beads I had, and I usually get my wood beads from downtown, but I know you can find them at Hobby Lobby, or you can use the ones from Dollar Tree and you can just simply paint them.
Remedy, and I think I found it in your mind. But the way that you know me is not right, not right. The way that you know me is not right, not right.
Now I'm going to be painting this tin can that I had recycled, and I'm just giving you several ideas that you could use this paint for. I am so surprised how it actually looks really nice and how the baking powder gave it that texture that I had been looking for.
And I think I found it in your mind.
Once the paint was done drying, I'm just going to be adding this ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree just to give it some detail.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
For this DIY, I'm going to be using the frame of a mirror, and I'm going to be painting it, and I let it dry for at least 30 minutes as well. I put the tote bag inside out, and I'm going to be placing the mirror that came with the frame inside, so I could be able to trace out exactly where I wanted to cut out be your own kind of beautiful, but I wanted to be sure it was exactly in the center.
Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die.
I'm going to be using the cardboard of a picture frame that I had, and it is the same size as the mirror. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding some Mod Podge onto it so I could be able to place the fabric of the tote bag on top. I made sure to remove any air bubbles, and once I was done doing that, I added more Mod Podge on top and I let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes.
I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time.
To give it some detail, I'm going to be adding this ribbon on the edges of the frame.
Better, 'cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, and that way you don't miss any of my future videos. Other than that, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.